it comes to contouring, I'm pretty basic. I just do here and here, and sometimes I'll do down here. Pretty basic, not really into detail. So when I came across this filter, I was intrigued and I definitely want to test it out. So I already have my foundation on, and I'm using the Milani Liquid Contour. Okay, so that is the contour. I believe I got, oh no, right here. I believe it got everywhere. So blush now. I don't know about you guys, but I actually have fun playing with these filters. What do you think? I think it kind of gets us thinking outside of what we normally would do. So I noticed I missed a contour right here, so that's what I'm just going to do real quick. So I don't actually have a highlighter stick that I can apply, so I just pumped my liquid highlighter this on here, and I'm just going to use my finger. So now we're going to blend it out, and this is what it looks like. I am going to do the contour. I'm going to blend it out with my Patrick Top or contour brush. I believe this is a Patrick Top one. Does it say? Yeah, Patrick Top. This is such a mess. So this is much better, but it's a little intense with the bronze. So now we're gonna do the concealer. So what do you think?